Well, this is the F250 plow truck, and here's the oil pan right here. And right there is a hole. And that is because the plow truck threw a rod and it blew right out the side of the oil pan. And this engine is what we would say is toast. So the F250 is done. I think to get a new engine in here, we're looking at $3,000 to $4,000 if I get used, and probably getting some more problems. And this truck is not worth it. All the things I've been through over the few years I've had it. Let this be a warning. There never is a good priced snowplow truck. Just a snowplow truck with a lot of problems. Wow. This battle is over. First snow of the season, real snow anyways. And the first time I'm going to take the plow truck out and use it. This is a different plow truck from years past. This is my F-150. The F-250 is gone. The engine blew up last year on my last pile of snow that I plowed. Very grateful that that we had no more storms after that blowout. But anyway, here's hoping that this plow truck will do great. Right now I'm on the edge of my property, and that's the gate, and I wrote a post about that, Oh Heavenly Gate. But right here, we got these limbs that hang down. This is the snow weighting these lodgepole pines down. Usually when the truck goes by, it hits it, they're low enough, and it just springs right back up. I usually ignore those unless they're so far on the road that I have to chop them down. But that's the 1/4 mile easement. This is all my responsibility, all the way down to where you see the trees at the back. That's pretty much where I got to go. And then I go all the way down to the main road, and that's how we get out. Snow removal is not easy. I used to do this whole thing with a snow blower. My little Craftsman that I showed in Winter Storm Nadia last year. That video, Winter Storm Nadia, I believe we came up to around 18 and 19 inches, somewhere in there at the most. This storm is at 27 inches. This is normal. This is January weather. And for people moving to northern Idaho, they may come up here in a mellow winter like last year and think, oh, this isn't so bad. When we first moved on this property, we literally tried to hike in here to see if we can actually get in to where we could actually put a camper or a tent or something where we could live on the property and work it. And it was April, literally spring break. And the snow was about 5 feet in the air. I mean, we could not get in except for snowshoeing. We had to snowshoe all the way in. And I asked the guy, I said, hey, you do professional snow removal. Could you give me a discount? What could I get to get in here? And he said, well, it's going to take me quite a while. I'm going to have to charge you $250 to get in, just to the property line right here, down that easement from the road to the easement, which is a less than a 1/4 mile than what I'm going to now. But $250. And I went, I think I'll wait for it to melt. So we would just come out here, park on the edge of the easement, and hike in to see the property that first spring as we were trying to get ready to build. But don't let people kid you. Northern Idaho throws things at you like this. Little snow here, a little snow there. This could be up to 5 feet by March. Who knows?